Hello friends, this is my CCNA training program video series, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the last layer of OSI reference model, that is application layer. This is the seventh layer of OSI reference model, and it has also some important features, or just say. First thing, this layer performs all those tasks which is performed by a simple user at a computer. For example, when a user uses a computer, in that case, mostly it works on some files or some data. Maybe that user can transfer that file from one system to another system, or from one system of one network to another system of another network. Fine. He can just share that data. He can manage that data. So file or directory related all processes or all work can be done at the application. Fine. Now, second thing is mail service. Mail services means like you are accessing mail, you are just opening an email, or you are just sending an email, you are just putting some attachment with the mail. All these things means mail related all activities are done at this day. Fine. And like you can also access remote machines. It means remote accessing, like remote accessing means Telnet, SSH, RDP. RDP means remote desktop protocol. These are command line or GUI tools which is used to access remote machines. Remote accessing can also be done at this layer. Now, uh, file transfer can be done. For example, for file transfer, we are using FTP protocol. Fine. And you are using mail, means you are using different protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, POP, IMAP, MIME, PGP. These are some protocols which are used to perform these tasks. So all these protocols comes at this layer, means application. Fine. Now third one is directory server. An application provides the distributed database resource and is used to provide that global information about various objects. So look, directory services means simply you can say database service. In database service, we use mostly distributed system. Distributed system means your data is not always located at a single machine or at a single storage. It is divided into between multiple storage, and these different storages can be managed by different servers. So if a user has to access his data, then that data can be distributed at different servers, different storage. These storage must be connected to each other so that the user will be able to access his data accurately and fast. This directory service is also handled by this application. Fine. So overall, in conclusion, we can say application layer provides all types of services or processes which are related to the task performed by a user at a machine. Fine. So now this is the end of the OSI reference model. Overall, we have seen that there are 7 layers in OSI reference model. Physical layer, that is responsible for transmission of data on the link, and data link layer, that is responsible for adding a physical address with the data. And at this layer, data is known as frame. Then network layer, at network layer, data is known as packet, and with this packet, logical address is attached. Then transport layer assigns a port number with the data so that data can be reassembled at the destination. Then session layer that defines different processes scheduling by which one process can communicate with another process. Then presentation layer that is responsible for data format. It means data translation, compression, encryption, and finally application layer which is responsible for giving access to a user to access different features of a computer. Fine. So overall, in short, I have just given you idea about the OSI reference model. After getting the knowledge of OSI reference model, now it is easy for us to understand different terms in CCM training program. So from my next video, I will come to the core CCNA training program, like we will start from switch configuration. So keep watching my video regularly. I can assure you that you will have very good knowledge of it. Thank you.